My dear students of class 9th, I am Rajendra Rai, your biology teacher, explaining this question paper for pediatric 1 examination. And the first question is, that is the defined term cell. You have to define the term cell as the description of the cell. Now second, name 2 unicellular organisms. And third, who discovered the cell. So these are the questions are clear, you have to define it. Dear student, come to this question number 4, that you have to fill it. Dash 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 are known as the powerhouse of the cell. You have to write the name of the powerhouse of the cell. And 5 dash 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 is called as the digestive bag of the cell. So digestive bag is the that is the suicidal bag, that is the, तो आपको उसी को लिखना है जो सुसाइडल बैग होता है सेल के अंदर. देन डिफाइन डिफ्यूजन. यू हैव टू डिफाइन द प्रोसेस ऑफ डिफ्यूजन, नॉट ऑस्मोसिस, प्रोसेस ऑफ डिफ्यूजन. देन हु डिस्कवर्ड न्यूक्लियस. यू हैव टू राइट द नेम ऑफ द साइंटिस्ट फॉर द डिस्कवरी ऑफ द न्यूक्लियस. एंड नाउ माय डियर स्टूडेंट, कम टू नेक्स्ट पार्ट, that is the this part is dear student, this part is this page is having other questions, like write the question number 8, write down the full form of ATP, that you have to do it. Who coined the word cell, cell नाम किसने दिया. Then write one function of nucleus, nucleus का कोई एक function लिखिए. Then next, who discovered the Golgi apparatus, very simple. Then next, write the name of the smallest cell, सबसे छोटी जो सेल होती है उसका क्या नाम है. Then is the cell well living on dead in plants. Is the cell will okay, the question is the cell wall living or dead in plants. Means cell wall जो होता है वो, this is wall, this will be the wall, so you have to correct it, this will be the wall. Is the cell wall living or dead, this will be the or dead in the plants. मतलब cell wall living होती है, dead होती है plants में. Then question number 14, which cell organelle is called as protein factory. आपको ये बताना है कि प्रोटीन फैक्ट्री किस सेल ऑर्गेनेल को कहते हैं. प्रोटीन फैक्ट्री किस सेल ऑर्गेनेल को कहते हैं. ओके, सो डियर स्टूडेंट, you have to see it. And now come to the thing that next, that is the which cell organelle is called protein factory. You have to write the name of the organelle which synthesize protein. Then how the cell intake oxygen. सेल ऑक्सीजन को किस प्रक्रिया से इंटेक करता है, डिफ्यूजन से या ऑस्मोसिस से. दैट यू हैव टू राइट इट. एंड नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर, come to this question number next 16. How many meters are there in 1 micrometer. एक माइक्रोन मीटर में कितने मीटर होते हैं. दैट यू हैव टू राइट इट. देन 17, हु गिव द सेल थियरी एंड व्हेन. सेल थियरी किसने और कब दिया था, वो साइंटिस्ट का नाम लिखना है आपको. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 18, हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ द मेरिस्मेटिक टिश्यूज आर फाउंड इन प्लांट्स. कितने प्रकार के मेरिस्मेटिक टिश्यू प्लांट बॉडी में पाए जाते हैं. दैट यू हैव टू राइट इट. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 19, हु डिस्कवर्ड द लिविंग सेल फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. तो ये लिविंग सेल जो है सबसे पहले किसने खोजा था. डेड सेल तो खोजने वाले दूसरे थे, बट लिविंग सेल, हु डिस्कवर्ड द लिविंग सेल फर्स्ट. And question number 20, who gave fluid mosaic model of cell membrane? Fluid mosaic model किस साइंटिस्ट ने सेल मेम्ब्रेन के लिए दिया था? That you have to write it. So my dear student, these questions are of 20 questions and 20 questions are having 1 mark each. Okay. And now come to next, that in this paper you have to cut these question number 6 onward. You have to cut it. You have to cut this 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This all you have to delete these questions. Only you do 5 questions only, and 5 questions are: what is cell theory? Number 1. Then write 2 functions of endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum का 2 फंक्शन लिखना है आपको. And write two differences in between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells के बीच में 2 डिफरेंस लिखना है. Then define osmosis. Osmosis को डिफाइन करना है. Then write 2 uses of osmosis. आपको 2 osmosis के उपयोग लिखने हैं. So my dear student, you have to do these 5 questions only. Only you have to do these 20 questions and these 5 questions. So you will do 25 questions, and all these 25 questions are carrying 1 mark. So it will complete 25 marks. And now you will cut this 6 onward. 6 onward you have to cut it. 6 also. You will not do 6. So cut it. So 6 to 20 you have to cut the questions. You will not do these questions. So यहाँ तक आपका 25 marks हो गया. Then come to next my dear student, and next is this question up to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and mark will be 25. ठीक. Then come to dear student, these 6 onward 20 questions that you will cut it. 6 onward 20 questions that you will cut it. Okay. And section C also you will, this section C also you cut this section C. These are the repeated questions, and you cut this question number 6 to question number 6 to 20. You cut it. Okay. So you cut from 6 onward up to this section C. आपका ऊपर 25 नंबर हो गया है. And then after come to last and final section D. So you will do section D, my dear student, and this section D is having 2 questions, and these 2 questions are having the 5 marks. So 5 marks, 25 marks you will get up to the in section A and section B 5 questions. Cut 15 questions of sections B which is repeated, and cut section C which is again repeated, and you will do finally this section D. You will do the long answer questions. Question number 1, draw a label diagram of plant cell. It will carry 2.5 mark. And classify meristematic tissue in different types. To demonstrate their function with their diagram. तो दोनों डायग्रामेटिक बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस हैं. 2.5 नंबर के 5 नंबर ही हो गए. तो इस प्रकार से you will get this one and this one you will do, and they will carry 5 marks. So 5 So, and you will cut this 6 onward. 6 onward you will cut it. You will cut this. So 25 and plus 5 you will get 30 marks. So my dear student, I hope this explanation is clear to all of you. So you will do the question like this. Thank you very much for watching this video.